So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can solve the issue of temporarily logged or disabled Snapchat account, because in this issue when you are trying to log in your Snapchat account you will get to see a line like due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, and in this issue you are also unable to log in your Snapchat account. So before using the method of unlocking your Snapchat disabled account, you have to make sure that you are not spamming. Like guys, if you are logging your Snapchat account again and again, then it will create issues like this. So keep in mind that you don't spam and try to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes before logging another time of your Snapchat account. So friends, if you want to unlock your Snapchat account, then simply go to any browser and search Snapchat support in the search bar. Then friends, after tap on the first website, which is Snapchat support, like I am tapping on Snapchat support. So friends, in this page you have to search, like I am searching I am unable to access my Snapchat account. Then guys, after searching this line you have to got to see a option like my access to my Snapchat account has been. Simply guys tap on second link, like I am tapping on second link like this. So friends, in this option you will get to see option like my access to my Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled. So simply tap on this option, and after tapping on this option you have to scroll down your page and you will get to see a line of terms of service. Like guys, simply you have to tap on terms of service, blue color line, like I'm tapping on this option, and after tapping on this option a new page will open, like I'm waiting for this page. So friends, you also have to wait at least 30 seconds. So friends, in this page you have to simply scroll down your page and you will have to find a line, like I am finding a line. Simply scroll down your page, and guys, in the last section, in the contact section, you will get to see a option of like this online form. Simply guys tap on this online form, like I am tapping on this online form. And friends, after this you will get to see a new section. So friends, in this section you have to tap on I can't access my account. You have to tap on second option, I can't access my account, and in this option friends you have to tap on I can't, my account is locked, second last option, like I'm tapping on my account is locked. And friends, in this option you have to scroll down your page and have to tap on logged, blue color logged option, like I'm tapping on this option. And friends, in this option you have to scroll down your page and you have to find a line, like you will get to see an option of here. Simply tap on here option, and in the here option you have to scroll down your page and you have to find, like guys I am finding. So friends, simply back this page. I think I will tap on the wrong page, so simply back on this page. So friends, in this page you have to tap on going here option, like I'm tapping on going here option, and you also have to follow the same steps, like I'm tapping on going here option. And friends, in this option a new page will open like this. So friends, if you want to unlock your Snapchat account, then simply log in your Snapchat account and follow all these steps, and in the last option you will get to see a option of unlock your Snapchat account. So friends, if you also follow these steps, your Snapchat account will also re-log in and you can also use Snapchat account easily. So friends, must subscribe to our channel to get more amazing and latest videos like Snapchat and other social media platforms.